Campus life on Trine and the facilities at Trine are continually evolving and improving, and I really like that. I like to see how we're meeting the needs of the students and recognizing that our facilities need to evolve. I like that Trine's facilities are up to date, especially the classrooms. Looking at our classrooms for the School of Ed, they're flexible seating, they're exactly how a classroom would be that I'm going into, and that makes it so easy to practice teaching a lesson because I can teach that to my peers and visualize that and how it would be in the practicum. I get to use Best Hall, I get to use Fabiani. I have access to every facility, and Trine makes it really easy to access those facilities. Where at a big school, I would have to outsource those facilities. Trine just makes it inclusive and makes it really easy to want to use those facilities. They get them up to date and they make them modern and continually evolve them. With the current trends and current technology, I've never not been able to get a computer in the computer lab, been able to access a book. I'm continually just evolving my education through technologies and through these facilities and being able to be guided through the process here at Trine.
From fully redesigned classrooms to state-of-the-art facilities, Madison's experience at Trine University is made possible thanks to the generosity of donors like you. On Trine Day, your gift can ensure that future students will benefit every day from access to cutting-edge technology. Join us in making a lasting impact. Invest in the future of Trine University on Trine Day. Learn more at trine.edu/trineday.